In this project, you're going to create a research paper with citations and references, and you will be learning about the MLA style. So this will be found on Module 2, pages 57 through 111. And here is a video on MLA essay style format. Be sure to read this page carefully. And down here is the PowerPoint. And definitely make sure that you read these pages in Word Module 2. And after you've done all this, you should be able to do the following bullets. If you have any questions about this project, feel free to email or message me.